Hello, my name is Maxim Tresunov. I am one of the directors of Xiamen Pagoda-Build. We are now near our office in Xiamen, and today is December 9, 2014. And today I would like to talk about the alternatives of G603. As many of you maybe know already, that the original quarry of G603 is closed since the beginning of this year, so there is a shortage of material on the market, and the price for it becomes higher and higher every day. So it's risky to work with it, and the price of 603 is expensive. That's why in the last 3 months, me and my colleagues we have visited more than 30 quarries in 4 provinces in China to look for the best alternative what we can offer, because this material is in demand on our markets, and we want to offer the best options to our customers. So finally we decided to stop on 2 main materials. They are both from Hubei province. You can take a look. So this you can see it's original G603. And these are 2 Hubei materials which we are going to work with. This one we call it Hubei Snow White. Let me tell you that when we analyze all the options what we had, we take in consideration the physical properties of the stone, its appearance, price, logistics, and we make conclusions that these 2 are the best options. So with this stone we plan to buy blocks, semi-finished products, bring it to our factory in Xiamen, and make it like the beautiful, best quality products out of the stone. We plan to cut, calibrate, polish up to 80-90 degrees, then use very precise equipment to make it cut to size, make some special shapes out of it, and the price for this material will be, you can see the more detailed price list in the body of the presentation, and for the reference I can tell you that the price in our factory, FOB Xiamen, produced in our factory, for tiles 60 by 30 by 1.5 centimeter will be $15.9. And this is, we call it alternative to 603, but in my opinion, it's not alternative, because it's it's a stone which is 1 level higher than 603. It's much more white. It's much more beautiful, and I'm personally just in love with this material. We're already bringing blocks to our factory, already doing some projects and monuments, and it looks just beautiful on the big surface in special shape items. Very beautiful material. I really like it and recommend to everyone. Another option is also material from Hubei. We call it Hubei White. And this material we plan to produce, it will be cheaper option. We plan to produce in the quarry area with the factory of our partner. We will have a representative checking the quality, and you can see that it's not so white as the first one, but the color is close to the original 603. And the price will be FOB Wuhan, $11.5 per square meter for the same size, 600 by 300 by 18 millimeter. And in general, the problem in the area of Hubei, and why we cannot supply it from Hubei directly, this material, is because many factories, they are huge, like they have quarry in a factory, but they are not designed to work for the export standard. Factories in that area, they are big, they have the quarry owners and factories, but they are designed just for the Chinese standard, which is which we're talking about poor polishing quality, thickness problems, and very poor packing, and they don't want to change for the export. That's why for this material we cannot work for export. We only can bring semi-finished products or blocks and do in our factory. And this one we have a partner which has experience in export, so we are with our quality control we can assure not super high but reasonable quality for these materials. We're talking about thickness tolerance ± 2 millimeter.
As you can see, to reach the quarry it's not so easy. Hello everybody! Finally we reached the quarry of new G603 light. With the owner of the quarry it took about 40 minutes for us to get here, and today I want to tell you what I see here. Well, let's have a look. Around us there is the quarry itself, there is a mountain, there are about 30 layers. It was to say that this stone may consist lines, as you can see on your screens, and if you look left you will see the lines which are not acceptable. Let's come closer here. Some blocks may consist lines as these ones, and in case if the blocks consist of lines, it's blocks of category B. But if it's all blocks like this part without lines, then it's blocks A class, which we are going to use on our factory. Well, of course, blocks with slight lines may be used for some flame tiles or carb stones. We will negotiate during your inquiry, but mostly for tiles and for important projects we will use only blocks of category A. This quarry is 8 years old, and monthly they can get about 9,000 cubic meter per month of G603 light. My colleague Xiaolu, who is recording this video, asked me to stay more precise on the quality of the stone, and I'm happy to do this. I'd like to mention why we choose particularly this supplier of blocks, not others ones. Because of this factory and this quarry has the most light background of G603 white. We visited about 4 quarries and 4 factories near the quarries and stopped on this one. This is the best one, the best background, as I said before. If you will put right here the standard, the old G603 sample, you will see that the old G603 is much more darker than this one. This one is much more lighter. Let's have a look again on the blocks in general. All these blocks are A quality, no lines, as you can see. After polishing it will be 80 up to 90 degrees. Let's have a look on the block of B class. This one is a B class block, unless we cut the rest, but this is not good. I'd like to say a few more words about the quality of stone and its price. As I said before, on these quarries there are different kind of blocks: A quality, B quality, C quality and D quality. A quality, the stones, the blocks without lines at all; B quality with some slight lines; C quality with more and more lines. As you can see here, it's the same quarry, the same stone, but has too many gray lines. So this is basically not acceptable, but some not good suppliers can give you 30–40% discount and say it will still be new G603. So please don't trust and check samples. Samples will help you to ensure that you will get the real G603 light, not like this one. To make it short, don't buy a stone like this. Well, it's getting darker, it's time to go back to hotel. Let's go. Hi, salut. Are you tired? Not really. Let's go back to hotel. Let's go.